I've always been telling this events here in Kumasi, Yadi here. Event here in Kumasi is something that we've all helped. We are all pushing, and I'll tell you, sir, for a year or two, more than a year or two now, when it comes to events happening in Kumasi, there's this brand that has a name. They've been doing from black to white to all kinds of events. The organizing, you can see their effect in it. It's and say we are here as a city, we are serious about a city. And I'm happy to have Morcat Entertainment in here. Penipane mu waha weni nuanom enti memo mo kwan na obi abonidin na wache mo hene ma mention as free home patcho din
Daraj please
what you say bell mic no mame
Daraj please
Daraj
yeah.
Morcat Entertainment tibia na wo robi wo ma you want to let us know
yeah you know Morgan is my brother and
okay.
I've been doing this for a very long time.
Okay.
You know, we are the boys who bring the dons from Accra to
Nice.
Kumasi to
Nice.
party.
Nice.
It's only Morgan who do these events in Kumasi. There's no one.
Nice
so
one.
Forget about everybody.
Nice one you nyasha say kwani you forget about you yeah baba obi nya ba chonso di
Big hustler.
big hustler big hustler be na wo be o Morcat ma you want to let us know
Road manager.
okay for Morcat Entertainment or Morgan himself
In the Morcat Entertainment.
Morcat Entertainment itself. Okay. Penina mo ha Morgan.
Nana.
Mr. Omonya Morgan Mike mami aha. Bibi aboko de.
Nana nyame adom.
Meet menka no CEO na director na say menka the den of Morcat Entertainment.
CEO.
Menka CEO of Morcat Entertainment.
Yes.
Morgan himself. Mama Kwaba. Nice one. I know you have an event coming on this Saturday. But before no you come Morcat Entertainment as a whole. Morcat Entertainment say day ejuma ku ben ejuma di ben namudi minim say CEO amu na person be shasia na hustler na so bi obeso shasia bia no hustler shasia mam hustler you come Morcat Entertainment as a whole dey ade ejuma bi di ben namudi
Yeah, because of Morcat Entertainment, we are into nightlife entertainment, club vibes, party vibes, artist promotion and all that.
okay
Yeah,
Okay.
and management and all that.
okay mebeng na Morcat Entertainment buy into existence. How long has it been since Morcat Entertainment?
Oh, okay, 2017.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You talked about say you are into nightlife, artist management, artist promotion, and all that. Mate Maga say why those fields? A day in Tina, Morcat Entertainment chose to be in those circles.
Like also watch like Kumasi as in like entertainment industry, you know, like the nightlife entertainment industry, you know, like we don't have anything like that. And you know, like we came together as one. Say a planning yeah.
Okay. From 2017 till now, I did Komwe. Minimum off head. See, we the Mamimbusa Waumu.
Okay.
Off head, Obekai number of events Morcat Entertainment has been able to do. Say a Kumasi, say outside Kumasi. Off head, Obetimakai.
Okay. I think every year now there are more than 4 events.
Okay.
Yeah. We have 2 major events. That's the all black and all white
Okay.
parties we do in Accra and Kumasi.
Okay.
And your other affiliations events, your partners or more event,
Yeah,
we come
yeah.
on board, we do production and all
Yeah,
that for them.
yeah.
It's an event in the year it also.
Okay. I said from 2017 to now, at least Morcat gives us 4 main events
Yearly.
TI calculation now you be huno.
Calculation.
Yeah, you be huno. I know your major ones are the all black and then the all white. Let's start with the all black. Concept na attach any a day. I know you choose a theme for an event based on something. And as I say, it's just the term all black na fierce ma memfanye.
Okay, I think the 2015 name a birthday. So I catch my mommy say, "Mommy, birthday we end there." Na mommy so be party I dey.
Amao.
Until mommy a party my +2.
Okay.
And the outfit we all put on there black. We all said black.
Even though it was your birthday.
It was my birthday. And the floor said black. And I said, "Yeah, birthday hot." And I said, "No, we can do something."
Yeah.
Yeah. In 2016, you come university. Yeah.
Okay.
Come university, and my boys say, "Jack, yeah, baby." Because my mom say, "Oh, you have the crowd and all that."
Yeah.
And I was okay, fine. Yeah, share parties. I said, in 2016, you share parties. I said, but 2017, you said that first major all black party.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. It's the color of it or the name on it being all black. Then you say, "BB are different. Biana adi hu na ukwane." It's just something that happened on your birthday and you just wanted to reciprocate it to the other events. So you All Black now, how is it like? If you want to run us through, meaning over the years, evolve it. This year obey your way, next year obey your way. But in summarization, no, how would you say it's like? How does the All Black party usually go?
Okay, more of lifestyle.
Okay.
Lifestyle, if I say champagne lifestyle, your outfits, your dressing,
Okay.
and how you steez near the
Okay.
the whole everyone's a lifestyle thing.
Okay. Okay. And has the All Black been a ticketed event throughout? And I said, sometimes acquire birthday and other shows, you know, there's a stage or there's been stages where it was just an event, you just invited people, so be amra. And I said it has always been a ticketed idea.
Yeah, there's always ticket sales and all that. But we have guest link.
Okay.
We say events in the year, your guest that you invite to more.
Yeah.
Those people, you're more guest link and all
Okay.
my so those people they don't pay for tickets.
Okay.
But very straight ticketed event. Yes, yeah, no tickets, no.
Okay.
You buy tickets.
Okay.
But just on your guest that you're more
invite some shut up.
stuff
Yeah.
like that.
All these years, in rounding up the All Black, and how would you say how has it been like, experience wise? Would you say it's been successful from start till now, or just as any event has a way of suffering one or two a year in it, you know? But then Morcat Entertainment as a whole, Mama keep it to myself, say no matter what happens, the event is here to stay. You guys have been coping on this one, and I say you'd say it has been a successful event from start to now that we're having this conversation.
Actually, your difficulties. I can't say difficulties now, and then I'll be lying. But you're managing,
Okay.
But I think that the positive side in here more of 80%.
Okay.
Now petty mistakes in here 20%.
Okay.
Each year, we try to
Improve on it. Yeah.
improve. Each year, year be on a vibe
Eba. Okay.
Year be on a vibe because year be people are mobile. And you're the same people about all the year.
All the years, yeah.
Year be different people near the but most of the years there are particular people are more they come throughout.
Yeah.
Or more because someone is a annual event.
Yeah.
Until year day
Yeah.
And the other people also come every year be for floor they come to experience the event.
Okay. All these years in planning events, say and give ya minimo be or planning events and anka me baby keka and can farm home. I wouldn't ask this question. I'm asking because sometimes we see what goes behind the scenes. Morcat Entertainment as an entertainment entity organizing all these events, no. There be a moana bibia from Sika firm to bibia moye, and as I Obeka say growing the brand and you've got sponsors time to time they come in to also help, and I say it's just purely about Morcat doing his own thing.
Okay, for the past years now, basically. Yani Morcat Entertainment production or Yani Sika, you invest in ourselves and all that.
Okay.
Then I have family mommy in the day they support me and all that.
Okay. Okay.
Till the about monetary aspect
They secured also.
Yeah.
Okay. The conversation about Kumasi the Oye event Kankwa Kumasi the Kabon Kwano. Would you say Morgan Entertainment has had the same and answer what the Obeka said you lied, you are totally different?
Juma untimi any hundreds
True.
At times over
True.
at times at the office car.
Okay.
And in year be an original also.
Okay.
At times you make some losses, but I think the profits in a year more.
Okay. Until the terms as a Kumasi the Oya and Fano, it should be something I am abolish and Komoko and as a war in a way.
A fact because kind of event I'm said event will be
Ama.
But so far as our event all those man spend the crown and show up.
Yeah.
That is love.
Yeah.
And the event
When it comes to Morcat, you haven't recorded that. No. Nice one. Mesa Baho to talk about the all whitening, so the concept of it, how it by. I remember Hustler, being more of like the road manager and American so be a event to be a who the role you guys play. It is saying familiarity into a year. And I say you would say there are also difficulties in that because this is a Morgan event everyone to be able. And Obi a baby a big boy. Say unim no be in different modes. being a road manager, being behind the scenes in all this, no, how would you briefly describe it? Say, how has it been, or how is it like?
Sometimes difficult is near 20%.
Okay.
You know, and it doesn't give you say like you road to Ubia as a road manager there. You need to be free with anybody.
Yeah.
Call when I also share my events and everything. Be able to like Ubia also be on the table, like and all those stuffs. It's you shouldn't have to be rude. You have to be free with anybody.
Okay.
Be our welcome guest and also nicely and all that. Fine. Although and some day, they be but as a road manager, you should have to put effort in all the work you're doing.
Okay. Events in Kumasi. I know you attend events outside Kumasi. So, particularly now you're involved in this organization, you attend, you see them happening. Obe describe events in Kumasi saying, not necessarily linked to Morgan, but if I say other events, I call to Kumasi now. Obeka said to saying, as in a year, a drew ho, and I try on, I just say ni ho. How would you describe it?
Oh, like saying it right now, maybe it's 8 out of 10.
Okay.
Cause at first in the day it wasn't good, but for now no.
Okay.
Like entertainment in Kumasi, any events in Kumasi right now we are picking.
Okay.
So say right now, to me rating 8 out of 10.
Okay. The losses being in it, 7 the 2% now on Fanka on per wow checks and balances. So because I need free day. The publicity na event organizers in ye and I saw because say be a the certificated events are the amounts being charged at the gates and sometimes say 2 outrageous. And I also say a event they put a dress code on it, dress this way. And even event centers themselves also have that dressing policy as a for. We a contributing factor to ABA Enya 10 and I say you see it differently.
For now, I make say first na Kumasi like normal pay ticketed event.
Yeah.
But as time goes on, as time goes on, like you see right now, no be any idea. The whole like you see be up outing and all that parties, like meet me I can say it be a ticket.
Okay.
But you see right now, no, didn't I make 8 out of 10 a ticket.
Yeah.
So 20% in a ticket side.
Okay.
Because
but then you could say that people are understanding. So then say open more of such events. The organizers also need to recoup some of the losses in between. Nice one. Morgan, all white. All black there, know how it came about the inception. Now all white and so day. Was it all white and so say the black about the intra white one? I say it has its own thing.
All white, baby it's all black, summertime.
Yeah.
You feel me?
Yeah.
It drew December now say near my course about a crime or January, so I will chill for near day.
Will be a crack,
be a beefy.
To a beefy, a crack.
And say fine. See, I all black, summer there then January,
Okay.
New Year and find all white.
Okay.
Because New Year they white.
Okay.
What I say, they white in a anymore.
Okay. Okay.
So I feel like New Year and white in a day.
And then show. Meaning say all white in it is usually and as mostly organized the beginning of the year beyond now white.
Yes. Every 1st January.
Okay. 1st January. Yes. There's a fixed date on that.
Yes.
All blackness were fixed dates in the summer and answer all black dates may vary.
It makes it.
Okay.
Times maybe months and a day. It depends on your market now.
Yeah.
Maybe a month we a cooler.
Okay.
Now they are sure every month maybe a heat room will cool it down.
Yeah.
But all white in a day. First at times first and second because
okay.
First about Sunday, we will go to Saturday.
Okay.
Mostly now I'm a Saturdays.
Okay.
Because Sundays we go to church near the other. But Saturday so at the Sunday you can go to church.
Nice one. Immediately happening this year, and dive straight into him. The house never started as a Morgana. What do you have on your calendar when it comes to Morcat Entertainment as a Dinkomwe?
Okay, right now we have the upcoming All Black party.
Okay.
That's the lifestyle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Female, that's only the lifestyle.
The lifestyle.
And that's what I didn't say.
And say episode home they were AC party, a ballet, steez near the other. I'm for flags there.
Okay.
I'm dressing. Yes, oh, Barbie tons and quantum dressing near the other. Steez near out as a Nina can
okay. Okay. See this the theme for All Black Ebaso summertime the lifestyle.
The lifestyle, yeah.
Ebaso we Ebaso Dabe.
But Ebaso Milan.
Okay.
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 Milan launch.
Milan Lounge on no. Square New Road ne so honum no. Okay. Okay. And the that bay
on the 8th this Saturday and one funny thing is this Saturday my birthday.
Hey. They say we as I share you no. To we are more of a replica of 2015 there no.
Exactly. Very another thing.
Yeah, it is like there you come lifestyle rebirth. Lifestyle rebirth. Yeah, there's I could see the other one. Hasla, I know the generator Morgan I can be that's the event, but I know the role you all have to play in it. People will be coming. What experience will you be selling to the people? Because I know you play a major part in it. Morgan, you back on there, but let me start with you.
Okay.
What is the experience people should be expecting for this year's All Black Affair? That's the name, right? Yeah. The lifestyle edition. What should people be expecting?
To say a little, like I kind of say, this year's experience, we are making it extraordinary. We are making a different vibe with full heat.
Okay.
We still in the top. Yeah. Like you've been hearing of All Black every year, and they know some Morcat Entertainment. When we are coming here, we are coming with full vim.
Yeah.
We are coming with full heat. So like more outside needed, they know what we're talking about.
Yeah. Morgan, these parties that Morcat has been bringing up, mostly be the jams, the drinks you enjoy, we go. I know be about having one or two people in the music industry. But then I know sometimes you put faces to this event. This year, Saturday, All Black Affair. Is it the vibes, the flow, and I said, should you be expecting artists passing through or artists performing? How will it be this time? And I said, in the best you could okay.
You can't All Black Affair this year, the lifestyle now. It involves everything.
Okay.
Steez, champagne lifestyle, balling, and connect.
Okay.
Basically, this year you are connecting more people. You're more platform. No? People they are coming from other places. And you Kumasi party.
Yeah.
Party in Kumasi, all right.
Okay.
And you Kumasi party.
Okay.
You for Accra, Tamale, Takra, and other places. Party. And you're connected. Come and connect, network.
Okay.
Something like that.
Choice of venue for Morcat Entertainment events, or particularly this one. I know way Baswa Milan. Yeah. Definitely, there's a reason why you chose Milan. No problem. But I just want to ask, in general, say Morcat Entertainment having event here in Kumasi, Anna be challenge as in venue. Sometimes you feel if you win your stadium half cranka or the Bayer Manafaba. Once then who stadium half no baby noa. You a bit more accommodate people. And I say you'd say what Kumasi has here as in terms of infrastructure. Say Milan, Udabrewe, other places. I wouldn't want to mention, but if you'd want to mention, fine. Because now the standard is okay for now, which will need improvement in the future. And as you say, if we are to get more places or vibes, it would all come alive.
Okay, so for the past years, and I know other venues,
okay,
such like The View, Emperor, SG Mall, then I think these three ones.
Okay, The View, Emperor, SG Mall, and this year the Ibaso Milan. Would you say Ninino has been meeting in terms of capacity wise? I know the experience in there, it has been sold already in Tinamam for bad debut and regardless of a no. But would you say capacity wise it has been meeting more expectation? No? And I thought that I'm expecting it, but not venue name Famamo. And I have a answer.
Venue be a overdose. Bro, so venue be a stadium and a bit in a container. But this year now, I don't think choose Milan here. A different vibe.
Okay.
You understand? Because other places now, or other venues now, they have their own vibe.
Yeah.
Milan also have their own steez.
Yeah.
And if we feel like okay, Milan and so you know, any BBDC, and it's my birthday.
Nice.
Big also to Nana Kwame, CEO of Milan.
Nice.
And Michelle, manager Richie.
Nice.
They are all solid people in the team.
I like it when event organizers come near the incomo say about event venues. Now, more this stamps up, so I name it because we call other cities now check other event organizers. Events need be within Jidin because of baby a no. As in baby a on the boa or now or day bano. Or the Yananka or mono biala. I don't think say you'll be mentioning their name to even mention their or modiano. Send you Melanda so in case you are. But you've gone that extra mile of mentioning their name, meaning say the partnership between event spaces owners and then you, the event organizers, need good.
Yeah.
I think Mimi Kuma say you intend the amusement many nice one. May I say either all white and I say all black no. You ben wake you three. Aye.
Mama tell
you be come on. Say yes, explore places in tea.
Nana, I'm on for appearance film, right?
And I just hold you film because events and brands na me te hey. AK3 events and brands na me te hey. Don't worry, you be doing cool. Nice one. So All Black Affair is coming on Milan this Saturday. Shall see time, babe. As you said, they're ticketed. Where do people get tickets to purchase? I know say events of this magnitude had Obu Onuma Oba on Peso Babe mixing into the ordinary into a per se table be on any boys. How is that arrangement also like?
Okay, basically, tickets, things are very ready today.
Okay.
Physical tickets here very ready today.
Okay.
But online then it has been there.
Okay.
But I think more now pay physical tickets.
And the back we couldn't address that. Na last hour.
Last hour.
The better online create trans. Or train as a Saturday in every hour said you.
How many problems? Online 250.
Yeah.
It's a one thing to online in Tema and then physical tickets no board. I'm telling you. On the day of event so no board.
Definitely will go high.
Because say EBMU sa nipa bebre na be event na be some way.
Yeah.
And make sure say be patch
be 50-50.
Yeah. Is that to say it's a age restriction be one home to curtail that and answer and should I need age okay. How a person or banner, yeah, nice. Table packages being so even as I said, oh dear, you be too. I think more of table packages will be so up make up a person and the boys bubble ma. How is it and so like obey any be PBR?
Your packages for packages, more now for ballets.
Okay.
Be a person, why not just a person or bet phobia and invitation come on.
Yeah.
No more so about party more. But to be so book your table you can go ahead and book from
stars and me busa wa you know there's a sent I don't know what kind of bro. Because I know Morgan's event and stars and they di hun komo ya can Wednesday I have be 2-3 days to the minimum. I say ya sent just on be so be bohosa and I say
stars on mobile.
But me just I say ya san and asa table just I say who say o can bebre.
We are almost sold out.
Nice one. Nice.
We are 80% sold out.
Nice one. It's a obi PBR. Say ASAP.
Hand to mouth. We won't pay you for that.
It is a guy because a monfa a number BOB person make it table reservation as if you want to jack crowd. We just to give you out a number and I say it would have to be whom you know at this stage.
Yeah, right now whom you know. Yeah, right now acquire connection.
And then say you made the maybe be cool. Nice one, nice one. It's a basso Milan as I said. Time in a chassis bay. Ghana man, Miss Remo. Morgan Monka time in Chile. Oh, the Monkan go to crowd, the Monkan Masuna Menka. Monka time in Chile. Catch me, bra.
I started 9 p.m.
Okay.
That day, Saturday, no say my birthday.
Yeah.
All black, say my birthday.
Yeah.
But I said 9 p.m. till 9 p.m. No, one or two branch near the day.
Okay.
Interaction on network near the
okay.
I think that from bed 10. I say interviews, I say red
okay.
carpet.
Okay.
Till 11. I say balling. I say lifestyle.
Okay. So man say Obia what purchase tickets online. You are here to buy physical tickets. Maybe a water table, table for no first. So let's do the online tickets and the physical tickets. Time ben pana you as the event organizers will recommend any panimra. Now on verifying the tickets now who say me remove. Okay.
Okay, I think say biana gates restrictions for her. Nipa no doors on the other day. See if they come early to be fine. Because later will be we work with foul table. Yeah. So 1 month, maybe you book a table about 1 month. Yeah. Problem akoba. Yeah. To I much brand them na this year.
Not me react especially with those that buy tables. I've been studying that training. Kumasi say, otimi train able be 2-3. Na ade na chigidi o. Ba na the table ni so na ni panso gina ho. Ti sometimes I was say we event organizer no hu say ba wa ba na wo ho de any de ogina ho no ba na wa mantem. But to see say a table si ho e bi kwa de ogina ho no so kra ka che say ho na wonto table na obetimato. But you also feel like there be as soon as you to am me their money intino. My man at that respect. Inti first watch check crowd 11.
Yeah.
The program starts.
11 PM, yeah.
To mama ko bi de chira na say we dey obra na warabo.
And I say my birthday. Ti chile from enumere 9 PM till anopa 9 sorry. Enumere 9 PM
now.
Till anopa 9 AM.
Okay. Okay. Na anopa 9 e bi nya aduane bi adi wo ho na say ne.
Milan ye ton food bi bia.
Okay, so you should come prepared, come with our numbers.
Sharp.
Nice one. Yeah, sorry, so Brian, I mentioned as if we be now a message or shout out who will be our back, say hi to or something. Now there, what come I mean, sorry, so.
No, right now, me shout out, yeah, Morgan Kwan and
nice. Wow. Nice one. So, what should we be expecting this Saturday?
Oh, we have to expect some new boys from Accra, top shatters, Shamaki Dems, Boss Kello Dems, like top shatters in Accra.
Okay.
Yeah, boys on Amuligo, it's Legon, like, yeah, Intina Morgan Kai, like, Connect.
Yeah.
So we are bringing different styles.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice one. Hasla, from planning to execution and everything, I know you play a role in it. What should we be expecting? Our All Black Affair 2026 at Milan.
Well, Morcat Entertainment as a whole, no. Kumasi people and are crying all over like Kumasi Day, and they are crying. They will be in Morcat Entertainment, and they know say every year we bringing new vibes. This year vibes need different. We are bringing different vibes.
Nice one.
They should just pull up in their numbers. No more experiencing the vibe, no. That's all.
Nice one. Morgan, will be a Hasla will be a channel. I know I'm making people sometimes you get sponsors, you get people supporting it.
Yeah, shout out to Nana Kwame, the CEO of Milan.
Nice
one. And Mr. Richie.
Mr. Richie and Michelle.
Nice. Yeah,
nice
and
one.
Michelle.
Nice one.
Yeah, and Hennessy.
Maybe the closing one nephew.
Okay.
Is there any message you want to put to people that know the brand Morcat has been coming to Morgan events? And then also special shout outs to BBR, Kanyano Ona, Odiamo Mami.
Okay. Big SO to my godfather S2.
Okay.
I saw myself no be joke. And CEO Nana Poku, or CEO of King Heaven Construction and Real Estate.
Okay.
On the summer this year.
Okay, nice.
Nana Nyamin Shrao.
Nice.
And a Hennessy Ghana. Hennessy almost I'm now so I say for and Sano.
Nice. Nice.
I think these are the people
big so any message you want to put to people that believe in the brand Morcat?
Okay. I think Morcat brand now and then Morgan Carter Media for the entire world. Global thing. But Kumasi for many amount I saw myself every scene. Big SO to all and sundry from Kumasi. Beautiful Kumasi be a big SO to you.
Nice one. In Chaba Kubu, or me hear some munina mobetia man chenti. Me make ya said a bear in Yamani. In Tiabunashna, Michel. Champion. Morgan one chow, me I made ya, Antino. But, booming, I'm a kind you. Champion, I'm a kind.
Boo made you, so
Matter bright, but I was some mobile. Saturday, we all look forward to be there, and therefore. If you've never been to a Morgan Entertainment event, trust me on my word. It's not just about coming to see people. It's about coming to have an experience that will linger on in your ears, your minds as you go on. Morgan is promising an experience this time round into Saturday. Tickets, no. Even for any to smami short code, no. Say physical tickets, and where would they get it?
Milan,
Milan. Okay, okay. And I think short code, no. I just want to put the code away RSVP no and no you can't amount for Morgan says whom you know. It's me the short code near star 713 star 33 star 27 hash. Star 713 star 33 star 27 hash. Now what purchase sale tickets no. So we all go have fun this Saturday. Brahman, I was some mobile.
Nah, I said that was it.
Nice.